On June 18, 2024, Riverside police officers with the Problem-Oriented Policing Team spotted a vehicle reported stolen in a carjacking earlier that day. The car was found along with 2 male occupants inside.
What's the football? I'll call you back.
Hey, stop!
When officers attempted to stop the vehicle, the driver fled into an apartment complex. He got out of the car holding a handgun, prompting one of the officers to fire 4 shots, hitting the suspect once in the back. Gustavo Gus Albriza was arrested on May 29th after fleeing from Deputy Lockhart. He had been hiding from law enforcement for weeks, threatening neighbors and officers, and was considered armed and dangerous.
Signal 4, Signal 4!
Signal 4, station to be 1033.
Alright, he's on foot. He's reaching in his pocket. He's heading back towards his vehicle. Black hat, jeans, white shirt. He's in his pocket, man.
10-4, subject reaching in his pocket.
Get to the ground now! Get to the ground!
441 and 63rd Street, Northwest.
2628 up to 97, which way would you run?
Get to the ground now!
Running back towards his vehicle.
Deputy Lockhart spotted Albriza driving and tried to stop him, but he fled, eventually crashing his car. He then tried to escape on foot, and even attempted to get into another occupied vehicle before being caught. A handgun was found on him at the time of his arrest. Newly released DashCam and bodycam footage shows 27-year-old Jennifer K. Porter leading police on a dangerous high-speed chase in Sebastian County, Arkansas. Porter was accused of stealing a vehicle and pistol on the morning of May 5, 2020 near Hackett, and was spotted later that day speeding at nearly 100 miles per hour.
Sebastian 12, Force Special, myself, 18 and 27 in the Witcherville area, 71 is Dayton Road.
10-4, 71 Dayton Road, break.
Force Smith, she's got a gun in hand.
10-4, Greenwood 9, driver.
Shit. Vehicle's 10-7. Gun! Shit.
Location.
Force Smith, she just ran my vehicle. It's 10-7. She does have a gun in hand. Just continue on Dayton Road towards 71. I'm 10-7.
10-4, Sebastian 25, vehicle 10-7, Dayton Road 71. She does have a gun in her hand.
During the pursuit, Porter rammed at least 4 law enforcement vehicles, disabling one, and even tried to hit another civilian car. The chase continued across multiple roads and highways before Arkansas State Police stopped her near the Jenny Lind community on Highway 71 South.
Fort Smith 35 are en route to the area from Fort Smith.
10-4.
Sebastian 10-7.
10-4.
25 to 12. It is going to be a female driver, white. Looks to be in her early to mid 20s. She does have a white black firearm in her hand.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Fort Smith, he just tried to ram me. He's 71.
Porter was arrested and faces multiple charges, including 8 counts of felony aggravated assault, fleeing, and being a felon in possession of a firearm. Despite the intense pursuit and several damaged patrol units, no injuries were reported. On June 27, 2023, a domestic dispute in North Baltimore, Ohio, led to 23-year-old Jonathan J. Baker taking a 7-month-old child and fleeing in his vehicle. Police issued a BOLO alert, and the car was later spotted in Tiffin by local law enforcement.
He just went left to center. Crossroad on Dusty Street. Coming up that Elba. I'm behind the vehicle, coming up that Elba.
Station, I'm behind the county unit. We're still southbound on Sandusky. Coming up Euclid. Just went off the road into the side of a house. Beside 607 South Sandusky.
So into a house, I believe. I'll be all done.
When officers attempted to stop him, Baker sped away and crashed into a home on South Sandusky Street. No one was inside the house at the time. Emergency responders pulled the child from the car and began life-saving efforts. Both Baker and the infant were taken to the hospital. Tragically, the infant died shortly after arriving at Tiffin Mercy Hospital. Baker was airlifted to Toledo Street, Vincent's Hospital, and remains in critical condition. A loaded gun and a spent cartridge were found inside the vehicle.
Coming into the turn lane, making a left, making a U-turn. She's back.